Hey, Dougie, what are you doing? How you doing, bub? How you doing? Damo, what are you doing with my limited edition electric light orchestra out of the blue tape? What are you doing? Anyway, hey guys, did you guys see the mail? Did you guys see the mail? My headset came. I got my headset, guys. I'm gonna open it. I don't know who they are. You know. Alrighty. Joshua. No. This is the headset. It's still 300. Let's do this thing. I need a little help, Joshua. Help me, Joshua. Hold up, Joshua. We need a knife, Joshua. Do we have any knives down here, Joshua? No, we don't, Joshua. Oh, no, Joshua. Wait, yes, we do, Joshua. No, we don't, Joshua. I lied to you, Joshua. Let's just use a screwdriver. Okay, here we go. Let's do the oh. I don't know how that got there. My bad. Joshua. Did you put get that out of here? Oh. Yeah. $2, Joshua. It's $2. Here. You take that. Look at these. It's balloons. They got these wraps on them. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's been the unboxing. And remember, do as Tiger Woods says, and have sex with your mistress. And away we go.